Bye.
Man, how that little thing? How you get that little thing to work?
What are you talking about?
That little camera thing.
I mean, how do I get it to work?
Which one is that one?
Garmin Verb.
Okay. I was trying to get my shit where you put your little card in there too.
SD card, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to have that.
Oh, well, I put one in the motherfucker.
Yeah.
But then that though the shit I cut it on is like they come up with the date and shit like that.
Yeah.
You put yours on the date too?
Yeah. What do you mean it doesn't work?
No, it worked, but I couldn't get the damn date shit. Put the date on the shit.
Oh, that's just in your settings.
Alright, well I'm gonna get up with you later.
All right.
So you can set the motherfucker up, but I can't get it for some reason.
Don't know, boss.
Alright, brother.
We'll see ya. All right, welcome back everybody to the channel. For everybody who subscribed. This is the first ride after getting the bike back from REI for the tune-up. And I also had it adjusted a little bit. So let's see how it does. I'm riding to the airport today. It's about 11 miles. It's also about 97 degrees outside. And this is the first time I've ridden in a couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna take it easy today. See how the camera setup works. I figured out how to pair it to my bike computer. Garmin Verb Ultra 30 is paired to the Garmin Edge Explorer, and that allows me to start the recording and stop the recording as the timer hits. So seems like the chain is slipping off the derailleur. So it feels like the derailleur is a little out of adjustment, which is kind of disappointing considering it just came from the tune-up shop. The seat feels like it's a little nose high. Yeah, derailleur needs to be readjusted. The seat needs to be nose down just maybe 1 or 2 more degrees. Not a fan of the derailleur slipping the chain onto different gears with little bumps. I can hear it rubbing. Also, I went to go pick it up.